Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson, and today we're talking about our HT series of face shields for arc flash protection. In this particular series, these are the 20 calorie ATP V-value face shields. 20 calorie face shields have a unique circumstance in the market. That is because the NFPA standard, in the way that it is defined and written in the NFPA standard, we are only able to supply these shields for use for end users that are at public utilities, as opposed to for use in commercial electrical applications. So again, these 20 calorie face shields are for use only at public utilities. This is a 20 calorie AMP1 that is for use on slotted helmets. Slotted helmets are the type of helmets that have a slot on the sides. This bracket will snap into those slots, creating a semi-permanent attachment. This 20 calorie face shield is a nanoparticle design. It has a hard coating on the front and a permanent anti-fog coating on the interior. This extended chin protector, which is specifically made to pass so that it'll pass the 20 calorie test, has a transparent nanoparticle material that is the same as the face shield. And the optics are good enough on this chin protector that you can see through it to identify your tools or where your footing is. Let's say that you're on a ladder. The chin protector is permanently attached to the face shield, but the face shield can be easily removed from the cap bracket for replacement with our lever lock system that's on the interior. The advantage of the lever lock is easy, no tool replacement, and also we don't have any of the attachments to the exterior of the shield to get snagged as you're working. This has an adjustable pivot system here. These adjustable pivots can be adjusted so that the shield would stay in any position, or that it can be easily brought down just with a nod of your head. So again, this is the AMP1 20 HT face shield designed for slotted caps.